some little ramen, which is pork and beef. Get pan. So in pan, add some beef broth, add some water, half and half. And then turn the pan on high.
Okay, now we're gonna add some olive oil to a pan and burn Bristol. Okay, here we go. We're gonna crack the egg. The last time till I use these. Go ahead. Grab the other one. Oh my god. Look at the little eggs. Look at the little eggs.
Oh shit!
Okay,
Hold on tight.
go. I'm just gonna back up so I don't get burnt.
Oh!
Oh
Yeah, baby! Put the noodles in the bowl. You're spilling them everywhere.
Shut up,
Put
Maddie.
it. Okay, we're back, you guys. I gave her a little harsh consequence on calling people fat. And I said she's the one who's freaking cooking the ramen. And
Stop it.
I'm just gonna hit her.
Maddie.
Okay, now we add our seasonings.
She actually got it. That's surprising.
Why is mine so thick? It feels moist.
Okay.
Wigawama.
Okay.
Dump it in, dump it in. Okay.
I'm gonna do the mixing and mixing and mixing.
Give me a fork. Get me a fork. Get me a fork.
Go to your own house.
Go
and
give
get
me a fork. Now we stir the noodles. Oh shit.
Turn it off.
What do we do? What do we do?
What the hell are you guys doing?
Cooking with